Hello everyone! Today we are going to make some soup meatballs. Here I have 1.5 pound of ground turkey, same amount of ground beef and 1 pound of ground chicken. We're gonna need 1 big and juicy onion, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, half teaspoon of ground black pepper. Personally, I don't like onion pieces in my meatballs. So I'm gonna chop my onions into quarters and blend it with the blender. In a large bowl, combine your spices and onions and mix it all together. Why am I using so much meat? Because I'm gonna freeze these meatballs for quick and easy meals in the future. Look at the consistency of our ground meat. It's very soft and easy to work with. If your ground meat is kind of stiff, add a little bit of water and it will be easier to form your meatballs. To freeze your meatballs, you can use baking sheet lined with parchment paper, some cutting board lined with parchment paper, or even a serving tray if you know it's freeze resistant. So we're gonna use some spoon and water, so it will be easier to form meatballs. Wet your hands with water. Take a little bit of your ground meat and roll it around until you have this little beautiful meatball. Don't be afraid if you think it's kind of big. It will shrink in the broth. Little bit of water. Rolling around. And repeat until you're running out of the meat. Here's our nice and juicy meatballs. We freeze them raw. Let's continue. Now we're gonna freeze it. From 3.5 pounds of ground meat, we have gallon-sized bag full of meatballs. Enjoy!